Have you ever wondered how many of our favorite foods were discovered by accident? Sauerkraut, cheese, and tofu all have one thing in common. They were created when food turned bad. What we now view as culinary staples began as serendipitous mistakes that transformed into delightful innovations. More than 2,000 years ago in ancient China, tofu emerged from a simple accident, a happy byproduct of curdled soy milk. This event marked the birth of a food that would weave its way through history, cultures, and kitchens across the globe. Today, we dive into the story of tofu, from its accidental origins to its status as a versatile and beloved ingredient in cuisines worldwide. Join us as we explore how this humble, spoiled bean curd became a global culinary hero. It all starts with soybeans, the essential ingredient in tofu. These beans are meticulously cleaned and soaked in water, ensuring they are prepared for the next crucial step. After soaking, the soybeans undergo a thorough washing and draining process. This repetitive action is vital for removing impurities and preparing the beans for grinding. The clean soybeans are then fed into a stone mill. An age-old tool that crushes the beans under its massive weight. Turning them into a fine, creamy soy milk. This soy milk then goes through a process called centrifugation. Here, the milk is spun at high speeds, separating the solid residues, known as okara, from the liquid. The okara, a valuable byproduct, is collected, bagged, and frozen for later use, providing an excellent source of fiber for various food products. Back to our tofu, the soy milk is carefully poured into curdling vats where it's gently stirred and warmed, setting the stage for coagulation. As the milk simmers, any excess foam is removed, ensuring a smooth consistency. It's then time for a key ingredient, the coagulant. Measured precisely, the coagulant is added. Transforming the warm soy milk into a curdled mixture, resembling a lumpy porridge. This mixture is then carefully ladled into molds. These molds are lined with a special cloth that acts as a filter. Catching any excess liquid as the metal lids press down, compacting the tofu into its familiar form. After the pressing, the tofu is cut into blocks. Now join us as we reveal the secrets behind some Korean dishes. First up, a spicy and comforting Korean stew that combines a rich array of vegetables and mushrooms with the soft texture of tofu. The process begins by adding ingredients to the pot. We start with garlic, onions, and zucchini, then mushrooms and a spicy mix of red chili paste and chili flakes to bring heat to the stew. This is then followed by the tofu. Rich seafood broth is poured in. And as it simmers, more of the paste is added. The stew is finished with a crack of an egg and more tofu on the side, creating a comforting bowl perfect for any day. Our next creation is a robust and hearty hot pot filled with assorted vegetables and tofu. Starting off the base with garlic, battered anchovies, and the chili paste, before various vegetables like bok choy, mushrooms, zucchini, and onions. Thick slices of tofu are layered on top, absorbing the savory broth as they simmer. From spicy to savory, tofu's adaptability shines through in each of these dishes. Thank you for joining us on this delightful culinary journey.